Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I have already explained about the Jenkins, what is the Jenkins and history of the Jenkins, as well as Jenkins and other CI tools information, as well as Jenkins architecture. In today's session, we will explain how to install the Jenkins on the Windows system. So for installing the Jenkins on the Windows system, we need to we need to install the JDK, which is prerequisite, and also need to set the JDK path in the environment variable. You can see in my screen as well. So Java JDK, Java 11 or 17 recommended for the Jenkins setup in the Windows, and also admin privileges also required on the Windows system so that you can set the environment variable of the JDK. Now for installing the Java, you need to download the JDK from the Oracle or Adoptium or OpenJDK. So, for downloading the JDK, we are going to Chrome browser. Now, in the Chrome browser, we need to search OpenJDK download 11. So, in the first step, you will see the Open Logic site. Just click here and scroll down. Now here you can select the particular version. So I'm going to select the JDK 11 and operating system we are going to select the Windows because we are going to set the JDK in the Windows system. And if we're talking about architecture, so you just select the 64-byte Java package, you need to select JDK. Now just download the zip file. If you want to set the path in the environment variable, otherwise you can download the MSI file. If you are downloading the MSI file, then you just click the exe file, then it will install and set all the variables in the environment. No need to set manually. So I'm just going to download the JDK as a zip. So clicking this one, now it is going to start the download of the JDK file. So for checking the Java version, you just press the window R button in the in the keyboard, and here you need to enter CMD and press enter. Now you can use the Java version command by checking the Java version in the window system. So right now it is giving a different error because I have just uninstalled the JDK. So that's why. And after installing the JDK, you need to restart the system. So this error will not appear in here. I have not restarted the system, so that's why it is giving this type of error. Otherwise, it will give Java command not found like exception or errors. So you can see our OpenJDK is downloaded and it is in the download folder. Just extract this file in here or anywhere and copy this file into the C drive. So I'm just extracting this file in here. Let's wait until it is not unzipped. I think it will take approximate 4 minutes as you see in the screen time remaining. So let's wait until it is not unzip here. After unzipping this, we need to copy these files into our C drive programs files, and then we need to open the env system files. In the env, we need to set the JDK version and check the JDK version by using cmd. So let's check what happened. Yeah, now it is unzipped and it is in the download folder. So I am just copying this and pasting in the programs files C drive, program files, and pasting in here. Now giving continue. Now you can wait 2 or 3 minutes because it will take few minutes. Or yeah, now it is copy here. You can see in the program files. Now we need to set the env file. You can also see in our documents which I have prepared. JDK downloaded and it is unzip in our C programs files. Now it's time to set the environment variable. This is the second step. So I'm going to search bar. Here we are going to type env and going to environment variable. Here you need to click the environment variable. Now click the new. Here you need to type Java home. Now click the browse files. Go to C drive, programs files, C drive, programs files. Where is programs files? Yeah, going to programs files. Open JDK, search the Open JDK. Now just open it. Okay, we need to open. I'm just copying this path from from the above bar and pasting in here. This is the our Java home directory. Now we need to also set the path. So I'm going to click the path here, clicking the new in here, pasting this one and also adding the win as well. Click the OK button. Now click the OK button. Second step also I have done and third step also I have done. You can use Java home slash win as well, or you can do as I have done in this in the previous things before of this. So for checking the Java version, you need to open the CMD. So I am going to press window R. In here you need to type CMD and enter it. Now here you need to type Java hyphen hyphen version. Then you will see the Java version. Right now it is not showing. Why? So I am just again checking the environment. Maybe there is some mismatch. So in here also going to add the Java home pasting browser, going to C drive, programs files. Now we are going to open JDK, click here. Let's set path as well. In here we are going to set the path. So Java home, Java home slash win. Now click OK button, click OK. Now opening another CMD for checking the Java version. It is also not giving the current, so I'm just going to check why it is not giving. Java already done, path already done. Why? So I'm just going to here that everything is good. Here I also set the JDK version as well. Now going to move up, click OK. Now check the path as well in here. So removing. So I'm just okay. In here I have missed one thing. Here I did the wrong things. Now it is fine. So just click OK. OK. Now open another CMD and check the Java version. It is also not giving. Okay, let's check another one thing here because previously I have set up, so that's why. So I'm just going to remove this one and it's going to above one. Click OK, click OK, OK. Now closing this one and opening another CMD Java hyphen version. Now you will see the Java version is set in here. So you can do the same step as I told you. It is facing difficulty to me because before starting this session, I have just uninstalled the JDK and I didn't restarted the system. So that's why I facing the lots of issue. If you do in the first time, then you will definitely set the environment path in the one one steps. No need to do like I have done. So I'm just minimizing it. So these things, first step I have completed, downloaded the JDK, unzipping the JDK and also set the environment path as well as Java home path and also show you the Java version. Now let's go to another another things. So now it's time to download the Jenkins for the Windows. So I'm going to Chrome browser and going to Chrome browser, typing the Jenkins download for Windows. Here you can see I am just going to here, click the download. Okay, so we are not going to Docker Kubernetes things. I'm just going to Windows, so I'm selecting the window. Now it is going to download in here. You can see once it is downloaded, then we need to install it. So let's go to our document which I have created. So here I have downloaded this one. Now it's need to run the Jenkins MSI files. So going to download folder, let's check it is downloaded or not. So now it's almost done. Just wait 2 or 3 seconds and go to the download folder. Click click double click on this MSI files. Now it is going to install. Click next. This is the path where our Jenkins all the information will be stored. Click next. Here domain run service as a local or domain. So I'm just local system. I'm selecting the above one run service as a local system. Now we are going to click next. Here this is the port. You can check the port as well. That port is available or not by clicking the test port. Now click the next. Here it is taking the JDK version path which I have just downloaded. Actually, please send Java runtime environment only Java 17 are supported by the Jenkins. Actually, I have installed the JDK 11. I'm not sure it will support or not because I have downloaded the updated Jenkins MS file. Let's check. Maybe it will work. Okay, it will require the JDK 17. So we need to downgrade the Jenkins or downgrade the or upgrade the JDK. So I'm going to download the JDK 17. Just clicking that is already done. You can see. So I'm just going to download this one by clicking zip file. Let's wait until it is not downloaded because for setting up the Jenkins it is required the JDK 17 or 11. You can also see in my previous screen here. This is required for 17 or 21. It's giving this information because I have downloaded the Jenkins updated version, so that's why. So let's check JDK is downloaded or not 17. If you are downloading the Jenkins updated version, then you need to install the JDK 17 updated 17 or 21. So it's almost downloaded. Just wait 2 or 3 seconds. Then we need to do the same step as well. Yeah, now it is downloaded. I'm going to unzipping this into download folders as well. And after that, this is unzip in the download folder. Then copy these files into the programs files as well as I have done previous. So let's wait until it is not unzip. It will take approximate 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait. Once it is unzipped, then copy this unzip file into the program file. So now it is unzipped. You can see here in my screen. I am copying this file into our programs files. Here pasting this one. Continue. Click the continue because administrator access is required. So let's wait. Yeah. Now it is copying in the programs files. Let's set the environment path as well. So going to search bar here, typing env, going to system environment variable. Now we are going to edit this one, this and pasting the JDK 17. Here we are also going to do the same things in here as well. So I'm just copying this one, pasting our paths 17. You can also set in here as well. Now click OK button. Open another CMD and check the Java version. Previous I have set the JDK 11. Now it is set the JDK 17. Let's run the Jenkins MSI files. So just go back and try to port enable or not. Now it is already enabled. So just click the next button. Here why it is taking the 11. So I'm just going to set the JDK 17. So click selecting this one. Now click the next. Now click the next. You can see click the next. Click the install button. Now it will take 2 or 3 minutes for the installation. Once installation has been done, then we need to, yeah, now it is finished. So let's check the service is running or not. So first let's check in the browser, uh, typing the http localhost 8080 slash, now enter it. If it is not running, then we need to manually run it. You can see it is running. Our Jenkins is enable, Jenkins service is running in the background. Now it's time to paste the administrator password. So just go to this path. This is the path where our administrator password will be there. So copying this path, opening the window, op- pressing the window R button here, just going to the that part, clicking the notepad, click OK. It will take few minutes. Copy this information and paste in the input box. Click the continue. Now it is opening the Jenkins. Here you can select anyone's install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So I'm just going to click in the install suggested plugins. Here it will take few minutes for the setups. So let's wait until it is not installed all the plugins in the Jenkins. So it will take 2 or 3 minutes minimum. So you can see in here it is going to downloading all the plugins because I have selected the suggested plugin must be download. So that's why it is going to downloading all the plugins. Let's wait until all the plugins has not been installed. Now you can see in my screen few few plugins are not installed. So we will check in next video. Right now we are going to click continue. Here we need to define the admin users information. So right now we are going to add admin and password we are going to add as a root and password also adding as a root right now. This is a dummy username and password. Here we are going to define the full name as a Java classified. Email address you can give anything like java classified .com @gmail.com and click the save and continue. This is the Jenkins URL configuration. Just click save and finish and start using Jenkins. Click this one. Now you can see our Jenkins UI is open here. So going to our document which is prepare. So this step I have already done and you can see the Jenkins dashboard. Now going to another step. This is the install suggested plugins which I have just done. And now going to another, here we have also done the create admin users and admin users which previously I have just done, like we have added the admin and password as a root. I also added the emails information. So you can see this is the last step where you can you can see just before of this slide Jenkins dashboard is appear. So I'm just also going to show you again. This is the Jenkins dashboard. Right now we are not going to explain anything in the Jenkins dashboard. In next video we will explain the Jenkins dashboard and how to create the jobs and how to add the jobs, also create provided the security as well. Right now we are not going to explain it. And going to another one, this is if you want to stop or start the Jenkins, so you just you just press the window R button from the keyboard. Here type the services MSC Now in here you will see the Jenkins services information. Just type Jenkins. This is the service which is running in the background. By clicking the stop button, you can stop the Jenkins. And after you stopped, you will see here the start button will appear. By clicking that button, you can able to run the Jenkins as well. Right now, I'm not going to stop the Jenkins. Closing this tab. Now, going to Programs Files Jenkins folder, you can see the Jenkins port information. So, going to C drive, Programs Files, Jenkins, and Jenkins configuration. This one. So I'm just opening. I am also not sure which one is there. Okay, just opening. This is another things. Okay, just to go to our document which I have created here Jenkins.xml files. I think it will not appear right now because I am using the updated version, so that's why. Let's check, maybe it will appear. I am also not sure. This one. Yeah, in here there must be there the JDK HTTP port. You can update the port as well of the Jenkins XML files. You can see in here as well. So if you want to change the port of the Jenkins, you just update the port and restart the Jenkins services, which previous I have just shown where you can check the Jenkins services running or stopped. So thank you for watching this video. In the upcoming session, we will explain about another things like creating the jobs and integrating the GitHub code and create the builds as well as Jenkins files information. So if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the better updates in the future session. Thank you.